we're gonna make some slime. And if you haven't seen my part 1, go check it out. And I already showed the slime. So right now we're just gonna make the slime. You need a cup of water. So first you need your measuring cup. It's pink with some slime. Just mean that it's fake slime. It's not real slime. It's Plaxo slime. So So first you need to pour some water at the bottom line. If you can't see it, look really close. Here, I'll do it in a close up so you can see it. See it? Comment down below. No, not to the bottom line yet. Yep, that's it. Let's pour it in the bowl. It's a cloud. It's a cloud bowl. You pour your water in. Now we need another one at the bottom line. Let's pour this in. Oh, too much. Just put in there. Yep, that's enough. Now let's pour that in. Let's add our mix-in. Wait, do we do this? Or do we do our crunchy one?
No, add them.
Add this. Okay, let's add some of this. Let's pour it in. Let's pour it into the slime.